Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the world of latex putty, a versatile material used for a variety of interior and exterior projects. So, what exactly is latex putty? It's a water-based, flexible compound that's used to fill in cracks, holes, and other imperfections in walls, ceilings, and other surfaces. It's known for its ease of use, quick drying time, and ability to adhere to a wide range of materials. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of using latex putty. On the plus side, it's incredibly easy to work with, even for beginners. It's also very forgiving, meaning you can easily smooth it out and correct any mistakes. Plus, it dries quickly, allowing you to move on to the next step in your project without waiting for hours. Another big advantage is that it's paintable, so you can seamlessly blend it into the surrounding surface. However, there are a few downsides to consider. Latex putty isn't as strong as some other types of putty, so it might not be suitable for heavy-duty repairs. It's also not as resistant to moisture as some other options, so it's best to avoid using it in areas that are exposed to a lot of water. There are different types of latex putty available, each with its own unique characteristics. Some are designed for specific applications, like filling in cracks in drywall or patching holes in wood. Others are formulated for specific surfaces, like concrete or plaster. It's important to choose the right type of latex putty for your project to ensure the best results. Now, let's delve into the technical characteristics of latex putty. It's typically sold in pre-mixed tubs or in powder form that you mix with water. The consistency of the putty will vary depending on the brand and type, but it's generally smooth and easy to spread. It's also important to note that latex putty has a limited shelf life, so make sure to use it within the recommended time frame. Latex putty has a wide range of applications, both indoors and outdoors. It's commonly used to fill in cracks and holes in walls, ceilings, and trim. It can also be used to smooth out uneven surfaces, repair damaged plaster, and even create decorative moldings. Now, you might be wondering how latex putty differs from acrylic putty. While both are water-based and easy to use, acrylic putty is generally stronger and more durable. It's also more resistant to moisture, making it a better choice for outdoor projects or areas that are exposed to water. When applying latex putty, there are a few key rules to follow. First, you need to properly prepare the surface. This involves cleaning the area, removing any loose debris, and sanding down any rough edges. Next, you need to prepare the putty mixture according to the manufacturer's instructions. This usually involves mixing the putty with water until it reaches the desired consistency. Once the putty is ready, you can apply it to the surface using a putty knife or a trowel. Make sure to spread the putty evenly and smooth out any bumps or ridges. After applying the putty, you need to let it dry completely. The drying time will vary depending on the thickness of the application and the humidity levels. Once the putty is dry, you can sand it down to create a smooth, even surface. And that's it. You've now learned the basics of latex putty, from its description and characteristics to its applications and proper use. Remember, choosing the right type of putty and following the manufacturer's instructions will ensure a successful project. When it comes to applying latex putty on surfaces, preparation is key. First, you want to ensure that the surface is clean, dry, and free from any dust or grease. This step is crucial because any contaminants can affect the adhesion of the putty. If you're working on a previously painted surface, it's a good idea to lightly sand it to create a better grip for the putty. Once the surface is prepped, you can start applying the latex putty. Using a putty knife, spread a thin layer of the putty over the area you want to fill or smooth out. It's important to apply it evenly, and you can use a feathering technique to blend the edges seamlessly into the surrounding area. Depending on the thickness of the application, you may need to let it dry for a few hours before sanding it down for a smooth finish. Remember, Patience is key here. Rushing the drying process can lead to cracks or an uneven surface. Now, let's talk about some precautions you should take when working with latex putty. First and foremost, always wear protective gear, including gloves and a mask, especially if you're working in a poorly ventilated area. Latex putty is generally low in volatile organic compounds, but it's still a good practice to protect yourself from any potential irritants. Additionally, be mindful of the temperature and humidity levels in your workspace. High humidity can prolong drying times, while extreme heat can cause the putty to dry too quickly, leading to cracking. It's also wise to keep your tools clean and to wash them immediately after use to prevent the putty from hardening on them. Lastly, always read the manufacturer's instructions for specific guidance regarding the product you're using, as different brands may have unique requirements. Speaking of brands, let's dive into an overview of some of the best latex putty brands available on the market. One brand that stands out is Texprofy. Known for its high quality and versatility, Texprofy offers a range of products suitable for both interior and exterior applications. Their putty is easy to work with and provides a smooth finish, making it a favorite among professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Next up is Locro. This brand is recognized for its excellent adhesion properties and is particularly effective for filling larger gaps and cracks. Locro putty is also water-resistant, which makes it a great choice for areas that might be exposed to moisture, such as bathrooms or kitchens. Another reputable name is North. They have a long-standing reputation in the construction industry, and their latex putty is no exception. North products are known for their durability and ease of application. They also offer a variety of formulations, so you can choose the one that best fits your specific needs. VitoKnit is another brand worth mentioning. VitoKnit putties are designed for professional use, providing exceptional performance and a flawless finish. They are particularly popular in Europe and are often used in high-end renovations due to their superior quality. Then we have Shitrock, which is a go-to for many contractors. Shitrock offers a range of products that cater to different applications, and their latex putty is known for its smooth application and quick drying time, making it ideal for projects that require efficiency. Optimist is another brand that has gained popularity for its user-friendly products. Their latex putty is easy to apply and sand, which makes it a great choice for beginners. It's also versatile enough for various surfaces, from drywall to plaster. Lastly, let's not forget about Hermes. This brand is known for its affordability without compromising on quality. Hermes latex putty is a solid choice for those looking to achieve great results on a budget. It's easy to work with and provides a reliable finish, making it a favorite among DIYers. In summary, whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast, understanding the characteristics and applications of latex putty can significantly enhance your projects. Each brand brings something unique to the table, so it's worth exploring your options to find the perfect fit for your needs.